My name is Rudolf Frey, and I'm the director of the opera Maria Stuarda in the Tudor series. The direction we're taking, in our production, the whole series, we are referencing historic Tudor elements, but we are in a quite abstract setting. And in order to create this atmosphere, what we did, we created 2 habitats for each one of the queens on stage. And they're a bit like cages with animals. They're not supposed to be let out at the same time, but of course, that's what happens in the piece. What Donizetti created is this kind of spirit about this time, about these men and women, how they behaved and about their relations. And I think that will be the exciting thing to see in this and the other 2 productions, to kind of have an insight through Donizetti's eyes.